Just imagine being able to achieve your goals and dreams. Just imagine to go travel the world one day. Imagine you can work from anywhere in the world. Imagine you can take your family with you to go on vacations. Just imagine this. Just imagine that you have financial stability. Just imagine all these possibilities. Are you going to achieve this with working for a boss? No, you're not going to. Become the owner of your own online business. Achieve success, achieve your goals and dreams, learn the skill on how to make passive income and daily pay. If you want to know more about what I do, allow me to teach you the skill on how to earn daily pay and earn what you are worth and live your goals and dreams. We are not being placed on this earth to just live or just work. We are here to work to live our lives and achieve our goals and dreams. Guys, if you want to know more about this, more about how to earn income that you are deserving, more about how to live your life and achieve your goals and dreams, go to the Beacon Store link in my bio, click on the program that I've got to offer, and leave me a yes in the comment section if you are ready.